Hi, Codrus Surcanu here. This is the official affiliate link trackers Google Sheet, which I use to track my affiliate programs. What you see here on the first column, we start off with affiliate networks, okay? Like for example, Impact, Partner Stack, ShareSale, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Amazon Associates. Now, excluding Amazon Associates, all these other affiliate networks include hundreds, if not thousands, of brands, products, services, and mostly pay in monthly recurring income. That's passive revenue. For example, in this column, I include if any one of these programs, individual affiliate products, pay lifetime commissions. That means not just the first 12 months as some affiliate programs offer. After that you don't get paid, but actually month after month, year after year. So we have also subcategories in the digital marketing arena. Most, if not all of these products are programs in the digital marketing and make money online industry. So we have productivity, and here we have Notion and ClickUp. We have email marketing and lead funnels. We have GetResponse, Aweber, ConvertKit, which is now Kit, MooSend, Typeform, Lead Pages and Buns. We have lead gen and conversion rate optimization, website security, SEO and blogging. Lots of programs here pay in lifetime commissions. We have rank tracking, WordPress themes, WordPress plugins, hosting, AI content generation. We have chatbots, social media, lead gen and bulk email, graphics and video, affiliate program management, e-commerce platforms, link tracking, membership platforms like School or Teachable, all-in-one business platforms like System, Builderall, Kartra, Groove, Go, HighLevel, and one dashboard analytics. I continue to add new programs, but let's continue with what other columns and information this Google Sheet includes. For example, here I offer two-tier commissions information. It means that some of these networks include affiliate programs which pay for the affiliates which you bring under your account for other affiliate marketers. For example, Aweber, a program which I started to make passive income with since 2006. Back then they offered a two-tier program. That's one of the reasons or the secrets why I was able to continuously earn affiliate commissions month after month, even though I just initially in the first month or two I promoted them, and since then I haven't touched this program other than just add some links to my blog, which didn't really receive thousands of unique visits. So I was able to make up to $20,000 since 2006 with just Aweber. Okay, so these programs pay lifetime commissions. Email marketing is here to stay for many years. So here we have two-tier programs, like for example here you will see that this one offers two-tier commissions. These three offer two-tier commissions. Then we have the payment method. These networks pay, most of them pay by a bank account. That's like the standard approach, the standard or default payment method. And they also offer Payoneer, for example, PayPal and Stripe. Most programs pay in PayPal. Then they also, some offer direct deposit or bank transfer. Some offer PayPal, Stripe and direct deposit like these ones. So you get the idea. This is a very time-consuming process to find the right programs. It's a very time-consuming process. That's why we have this Google Sheet. Next, we have the pay period. Most programs pay on a monthly basis, but most of them only after there is a period which accrues, like 60 days, 65 days, 40 days, 30 days. So if you get paid this month in December, for example, you will only be able to see your commission the next month or within 2 months. Okay, so it depends on each program. That's why we have this column here. Some of these programs, individual programs or products or brands, are part of some of these networks. That's why we have this column here. Next is the commission. Okay, I put the maximum commission which these programs pay, which is either monthly or yearly or both. Okay, I didn't put the minimum commission because most of these pay a few dollars. Just so you know. Then here, the sign up link, you will have to click on any one of these links and it will go directly to the program you want to join or you need to join. So this is a very time saver for you. Then here you will be able to click on approved, pending on disapproved, based on the programs which you sign up. So you will be able to have a bird's eye view of which programs you already joined, which are pending, which didn't allow you, etc. And here in this column you have the actual logins. Click here on each one of these links to go directly to the sign up page. Then we also have username and password if you want to track each program, if you don't have a password manager, but I recommend you use a password manager. And here you can add your earnings. For example, you can add more columns like months. You can track earnings by months, by years, etc. Okay, so this is part of the program which I'm helping with. Let me know if you have any questions, comments or concerns about this, and I look forward to working with you. God bless.